Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Boxycharm unboxing. This is my first ever Boxycharm, so I thought I would do an unboxing and a first impressions, and I did this look. As you can see, looks really freaking pretty. The palette in this box is just gorgeous. Oh my god. I will have a lot of cool videos in the future, so hit that subscribe button down below. Let's go into the video. So I already did my eyebrows, as you can see, just to save some time for the video. So the first thing that you get is a pamphlet, and this box is called Caribbean Queen, and it shows all the products that you got. It also shows like a description of it and then prices, which is really nice, like the original price of it. And then there's also a coupon on the back for one of the brands that they threw in this box. So the first thing that is in the box is I'm not really sure what this brand is called, Sol de Janeiro. And this is their Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Helps tighten and smooth. And obviously I don't think this is for your face. Yeah, it's a body cream. So I can't, ooh, it smells really good. But I can't, try it on my face, obviously. So I'm going to set that aside for later. Put it on with this cute outfit that I got. There's an eyeshadow palette in here. Oh my god. But this is an eyeshadow palette from the brand Alamar Cosmetics. And I'm going to be taking Cocoa Taxi and applying that as a transition shade. And obviously you can tell that I applied tape here just so I can get a sharp edge. The next shade I'm going to go in is called Tropico. And it's a nice burnt orange almost. Now that we have that on, I'm going to go in with El Malecon and apply that on the inner part of my lid. Oh my god. You see that? Sheesh. So now I'm going to go in with Celia and put that on the rest of my lid, coming out to the outer part. Now let me stop fantasizing. I'm going to go in with the shade Guantanamera and just go in the outer corner. I'm going to go in with the deepest blue shade called Veradero and just go in on the bottom. I'm just going to go halfway because I also want to do a little bit of brown here on the end. Okay, so now I'm going to take the lashes that are in the box. These are from Baddington, and these are just called Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. Okay, so I applied the lashes and then I applied some of the Benefit They're Real mascara and just blended them into my real lashes and did the bottoms. Now it's time for foundation. Okay, so there is a foundation brush in the box that I'm gonna try. I have not used the foundation brush probably since I was in the 10th grade. So I'm using the Luxie 660 Precision foundation brush. I'm taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and this is in Desert Beige. Sadly, I'm probably going to take this off after I do this because it's 90 degrees where I live and I'm not having it today. Okay. This actually blended really, really nice. I'm going to go in with some concealer. The one that I used for my brows is a little bit too light, so I think I'm going to go in with the Tarte Tape Shape. Hopefully this one is better. Now I'm going to go in with the same brush as well. So this one came with a duo fiber powder brush, so we're going to try that using the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Press Powder. Ooh, it's alright. I prefer using a really big fluffy brush to blend out my powder, but yeah, see this one, it seems like it's taking the makeup off because there's like orange on the brush. Yeah, there's like orange all over the brush. I don't know. Cannot use that small brush. It is nice, I just cannot, I can't use it. Now we're just going to highlight. This is the last brush in the pack. It's the highlighting brush. I'm going to go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills. Moving on, I'm going to go back into the palette and take La Costa and just use that to highlight. I'm highlighting my brow bone and my inner corner. Oh my god, this palette is amazing. So the last thing I'm going to be taking is the lipstick, which was included in the box. This is the Ofra Long Lasting Lipstick in Verona. Oh, this is such a pretty color. It's almost nude on my lips. I wonder if it's matte. It doesn't say anything about it being matte, so I kind of hope it's not because I don't really care for matte lipsticks. They are so drying, it's the worst. Alright guys, so this is the finished look using this month's Boxycharm. I'm going to zoom in on the eye so this way you can get a better glance.